Hello, this is an introduction video to vCompU, Voice Communication Processing Unit program. I have got the inspiration to create this program from the acquisition of the Tony Fadell's last company by Google. The company had few products where the best-selling feature was the voice response, for example of a fire alarm or a carbon monoxide detector. The vCompU program aims to bring voice responses to the masses, ranging from the professional programmer to the end user who do not know any programming language. vCompU is an important element in our upcoming robotics development projects. What kind of a robot is it going to be without the robotic voice? The program is a command line terminal utility which currently runs on 3 platforms: Windows, Mac OS X and Linux. Before starting the program, you, as the user, have to look and prepare 2 files: vocabulary.txt and menu.txt. When first started, the vCompU program takes the 2 files and builds a file with the alphabetically arranged words without repetitions. Then the program prompts the user to say a specific word. In this way, you are building a voice database.
Back,
Backward,
backward,
basic,
basic,
but,
but,
cancel,
cancel.
Once the voice database is built, the program may be put into a polling mode, waiting for voice input. If something is set on the microphone, the program enters a voice menu. The menu is built using a simple script language which has things like labels, commands, functions, variables, next go-to labels, etc. Details on the language are in the user's guide file. This is a demonstration of the current menu.txt file. The basic commands selection takes several user inputs to turn a step motor on. It takes things like motor number, direction, angle, and then outputs a command. The complex command is going and executing a file containing multiple commands. Here's a demonstration. Hello? Hello, hello.
Main menu, basic commands, complex commands, help, retry, basic commands,
Okay.
basic commands, select motor number.
vCompU is a standalone program. However, it allows interfacing with the outside world. This is achieved by using 2 files. One named with the single letter C, it is the command file, and 1 named with the single letter R. This is the response file. For example, the basic command part of the voice menu writes in the C file the following things: the command name and all variable names like motor number, direction, angle, and the specific values for them. An external program may read the C file and then put a reply in the R file. vCompute program reads and plays the response in the... In the spirit of learning programming, the first program produced is always the Hello World program. Let's see what happens when we open with a text editor the R file, type Hello World and push the Save button.
Hello world.
So far we have been using English language, but the program is multi-language capable. Here's a file with hello. Here's a file with hello written in English, in Russian, using the Cyrillic alphabet, and in Chinese. Let's see what happens when we copy the current file named r1.txt to response file T.
Hello, здравствуйте, ни хао.
The program, the vCompute program allows special effects. For example, one of the effects is slowing down or speeding up the voice output. The effect may range from sounding like Arnold Schwarzenegger to sounding like Donald Duck. Here's a demonstration.
Angle, back, backward, basic.
So essentially this is a normal speed of voice output. And then we enter special effects. We select 0 as the slow output.
Angle, back, backward, basic, but, castle.
And this is what the program will sound like when we speed it up. The program can take input from multiple microphones and provide output to multiple outputs using the built-in computers, speakers / microphone, and the 3.5 millimeter jacks, and or from USB sound devices and or Bluetooth sound devices. There are currently 3 platforms supported: Windows, macOS and Linux. And we plan to adding support on Raspberry Pi and Android.